Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing what you're dealing with. How deep are the marks, is there redness or broken skin, and how long they've been there. Once done, cool compresses help. Use a soft cloth soaked in cool water for 5 to 10 minutes to reduce swelling. That makes next steps safer. Then cleanse gently with a mild cleanser to remove oils and dirt. Don't scrub. Make sure to pat dry, not rub, and prepare your moisturizer and cotton pads for targeted care. Now treat the mark. Apply a small amount of moisturizer and use light circular massage for 1 to 2 minutes to stimulate circulation and help flatten the groove. Next, once the skin is calm, use a silicone gel or hydrating cream. Apply about 1/4 teaspoon to the area. During daytime, add SPF to prevent pigment changes. For persistent indents, introduce topical vitamin C or a low-strength retinoid at night to encourage collagen remodeling. Go slow and watch for irritation. Finish with a consistent routine: nighttime silicone gel, gentle moisturizer, and avoid sleeping on the affected side so pressure doesn't recreate marks. Make sure to monitor progress and be patient. Collagen remodeling takes time. If marks persist beyond 2 weeks or worsen, stop actives and see a dermatologist for options like professional treatments. If you notice itching, swelling, or a rash, stop everything, use cool compresses, and seek medical attention if symptoms escalate. That covers the common problems and safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.